Okay, on this 2009 Saturn Vue, I have the P0449 code, and I pulled it already. There's the vapor canister vent solenoid, which is inside the vapor canister here. I just loaded it down. I didn't want to take these lines loose, and I had to reach in there and pop it out. But it's just a simple procedure of snapping this in and snapping it out, and connecting with the upgraded wiring harness. And I'm going to reset the codes and see what happens. Here's the old sensor, a solenoid rather. It goes in and it kind of twists in. It locks itself in there. The check engine light did go out. Yeah, the check engine light is out. So hopefully it stays off, and the person can pass the emission test. So that was for the P0449 code on a 2009 Saturn Vue. There wasn't much to the taking out the solenoid, because it's hard to film it and get to it, but thanks for watching anyway.